Let's learn and speak. Welcome all to the video lesson How to pronounce the words of the letter I in French. Comment prononcer le mot de la lettre I en français? In French, I is pronounced as long E sound in English. So in French, I is pronounced as E. And in French, E comes with only two accents. A hat over the letter E indicates circumflex accent, and two dots over the letter E indicates diaresis accent. However, these two accents does not affect the pronunciation of the letter E. So, E with circumflex and E with diaresis can be pronounced same as the letter E. A circumflex accent indicates that an S is used to follow that word. For example, in English, an island is pronounced without S. So in French, a cap over the letter E indicates that a letter S is used to follow the letter E. So in French, the circumflex accent causes no change in pronunciation of the letter. The diaresis is used when two vowels are next to each other and both vowels must be pronounced separately. For example, mice, which means corn in English. So, E with diaresis does not have any effect in its pronunciation. Now, let's get into les mots avec le son I. Lit, bed, tigre, tiger, image, image, igloo, igloo, midi, midday or noon, suhi, mouse, bougie, candle, piscine, swimming pool, easy, right here, ami, friend, leave, book, wheat, quick, petite, small, eel, island, maître, master, gîte, lodge, mice, corn, knife, naive, egoist, selfish, aïe, hate.